Welcome back to my channel. I've already shown you a glam, kind of like soft glam makeup tutorial. Today I'm just gonna show you what I do when I want more of like a no makeup look. I have a couple of meetings today, so I want to put a little something on, but not much. This is also my makeup routine when I travel. I don't wear a heavy amount of makeup when we travel like to warm climates because it's just gonna sweat off my face anyway. So this is kind of my routine. It's gonna be super quick. I think we're gonna try to do this without actually like cutting the video so you could see it all. I'm gonna start with this. I'm running low. I think it's by Say. I don't know if that's how you say it. It's basically just like a dewy, just gives you kind of like a glow. Put that on. I'm using a lot of Merit beauty products today. I love their stuff for no makeup looks. I'm going to use their Minimalist Perfecting Complexions. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, let's try that again. All right, Merit, their Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. I'm using the color Bisque. It's like a foundation. It's not a foundation, not a concealer. It's like somewhere in between. I just use this to cover up any like spots and just even out my skin tone a little bit, blend it in with my fingers. It's super, super blendable. I do have a little tinted SPF on, so that already is kind of giving me a little bit of a base, but this will just help to even things out. I am going to put on a little bit of my regular concealer. Did I not take that out? No, I didn't. Just because I'm tired today. I'm just going to do like a little dab to give myself a little more coverage than that Merit product will. This is Tarte Shape Tape. Again, I'm just using like the littlest dot and I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. Just so the coverage is a little bit more. And I'll bring it up on my eyelids too. Helps even out any discoloration there. Like that. Okay. Then going to use Merit, their Bronze Balm in the color Clay. I'm also going to use their brush. And I'm just going to put this kind of like where you'd put bronzer. It's almost like a contour stick. It blends really, really nicely. I just kind of like taking the product on the brush and stippling it in instead of applying it directly to my face. I feel like, especially if I don't want it, if I don't want the color to be like too strong, it gives me a little bit better control. So again, just putting it where I would put bronzer. Okay. Then I'm going to use Merit, again, the Day Glow Highlighting Balm. This is the color Bounce, almost like a rose gold shade. And I'm going to put that anywhere I want a little highlight. This stuff is so glowy. I love it. It really gives a dewy look. And I'm just going to use my fingers and tap that in. I love it. And then I'm going to use Merit's Flush Balm Cheek Color. Now, this is a new color to me. This is Persimmon. Ooh, that's really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. It's not really pink. It's more of like a, let's see. And then I also have Beverly Hills, which is like my, no, I think I still am going to go for Beverly Hills. Okay. These are really great. You can apply them right onto your cheek or with a brush. They add like a really nice pop of color. The color looks more intense. Like for instance, this color looks super intense, but it doesn't go on intense. But it's just a really, really pretty cream blush. Okay. There's that. I am now going to set under my eyes specifically, just so I don't get any creasing since I put on a little concealer. I'll do above my lids as well. I'm not really worried about the rest of it. Okay. And now, I need to actually hold this. I'm gonna touch up my brows and then apply a little bit of mascara, and then that's gonna be it. I'm gonna go light on the brows. Don't really need to do much here. Just filling them in a tad. I'm using, I don't know if it's Anastasia or Anastasia. It's like, I've heard it both ways, but it's their Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This one has like a super fine point. So I'm just lightly filling in a little bit. Not going crazy because, again, this is just like a quick routine. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply a little bit of mascara. I'm not even doing eyeliner today. It's just gonna be super simple, but you know what? I am gonna apply a primer because that actually helps the mascara stay a little bit better, I've noticed. I always do a primer. I use this one by Lancome, but I find when I don't use one, the mascara just doesn't hold as well. So still put that on, let it dry a little bit. And then I'm gonna use Merit's mascara today. So I'm using this lash comb from Babe Lash. I love it. It really helps like separate your lashes. And now I'm gonna use Merit, what's it called? Perfect Black Lengthening Mascara. I'm just gonna do one coat. Again, keeping it simple. I don't really have much going on today, but I do have a few video calls. So just make myself like a little bit more presentable. It really does lengthen nicely. And then my bottom lashes, I always use Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara. That stuff is the best. It's very small and like this teeny tiny little brush, and it just really helps get all those little lashes under your bottom lash. And then it also just stays on very well as well. So you're not gonna get like raccoon eyes from mascara. That is really it. The other thing I have from Merit that I love, they have these great lip oils. And I honestly just love the clear one. I love all of them, but the clear one, Bel Air, just adds a little gloss. That's all I'm doing today, keeping it simple. I love Merit products. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Now I'll set everything with Urban Decay All Nighter. This is honestly what I do anytime I travel. Super simple, fast. I like that the Merit makeup gives you like a dewy glow, and it's not a full heavy base of foundation. So yeah, that's all I'm doing today. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm gonna link everything below in the description for you, and check back with us next week for another video.